And I'd like to welcome Kristen Orr. She is the general manager of the Towers. And today we're going to talk about what's coming up on Sunday. We're also going to show some photos of your past event that you had,
Awesome.
which was on Mardi Gras, right?
Yes.
So welcome.
Thank you. I'm really happy to be here.
Yeah, great to have
And
you
happy
here
birthday.
today. Thank you very much.
You're
Now,
welcome.
we were just talking. You've actually been over the Towers for quite a few years.
I've been at the Towers for 5 years, serving in a variety of roles, and have been the general manager there now since December.
Very good.
Yeah.
How do you like it over there?
I love the Towers. It has a special place in my heart. I think it's the most unique community, and I feel totally blessed to be there serving as the general manager.
Very good.
Yes.
Well, I'm glad you're here today, and you get to, as long as you've been over there, this is the first time that you've been
It
on
is.
our show.
Yeah,
So very good.
Thank you for having me.
Now, as is the case on Sundays, it's usually, is it the second or third Sunday of the month?
It's always the third Sunday,
Okay.
unless we're celebrating maybe Mother's Day or Father's Day, but yeah, otherwise the third Sunday.
I had to think for a minute because coming up this Sunday is the 17th, and it is the third Sunday.
It happens to be the third Sunday.
That's right. I kept thinking, oh, it seems like the second Sunday. No, that's right. So, of course, the Sunday brunch, and this is something that we like to mention. It's open to everyone.
It
but
is.
For this, of course, you must make reservations.
Yes, we ask that you call our reception desk ahead of time to make reservations. We generally do fill to capacity for the brunch because it is
Okay.
open to both residents and to the public. And so you just call the reception desk ahead of time and make a reservation in the amount that you'd like, and pick your time, and we'll have room for hopefully as many people as would like to come. It starts at 11:30.
And goes for a couple hours?
It goes until 1:30.
And it's a buffet brunch, so...
It is. It's a beautiful spread of your traditional brunch foods. There's a prime rib carving station.
Okay.
There's a seafood buffet. A lot of beautiful salads, a waffle bar, make your own omelet bar. It's a showcase meal at the Towers, and everyone always raves about it. It's a really nice meal. I've been to it myself several times, and I'm never disappointed.
All right, so again, make a reservation. This one's very important, 597-4278. If you like to go, I'd do it today, seriously.
Yes,
because
same.
it does sell out.
It does.
Yeah, limited seating.
you.
Now,
Yeah.
afterwards at 1:30, you have, this is something that you do usually, I think, once a month, the buyer and realtor reception.
Yeah, we do it. We do it once a month, sometimes every other month, depending on how many units we have available to show. But it's an opportunity for whether it be village residents who have never been over to the Towers to check it out and might be ready for that next step in living, or maybe you're just looking to plan for their future and want to come and see what the Towers has to offer. We usually get somewhere between 50 and 60 people. We do a presentation that gives people a little snippet of what life is like at the Towers. I'll talk for maybe 20 minutes at max and give people an idea of our amenities. And we have a resident panel available to answer questions, so you can kind of get information from the people who are living there and experiencing the Towers on an everyday basis. That part usually lasts 30 to 45 minutes.
Okay.
And then we've got realtors present, usually somewhere between 4 and 6 realtors, who will then take people on tours to see the various units.
Okay.
And that's kind of our showstopper.
And that is something that, do they need to make reservations for?
You can call.
Okay.
We like to kind of have an idea, a head count of how many we're going to have, but if you don't get around to calling ahead, our doors are open to anybody who'd like to come.
Okay, all right. So again, that's at 1:30 on Sunday. And of course, if you go to the brunch and you want to stay, you can do that as well.
That's a great idea.
All right. Now, we got some photos that I know Alex sent us, and this is from obviously your Mardi Gras event.
Yeah. Our dining services team does an awesome job of decorating our dining room for minor and major holidays, and it really adds a touch of energy to both of our dining rooms. I happened to eat in the dining room that night, and everyone was wearing Mardi Gras beads and kind of, saying Happy Fat Tuesday and eating up. It was really fun. The food was delicious. The meal was planned especially for that particular day. It just adds some really nice energy to our community when our dining services team puts those efforts in. So
yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Now, living there, you get the dinner menu is included, right?
Well, about a year ago, we changed the way that the dining was done.
Okay.
So you get it basically works out to about 19 points a day that can be spent between lunch and dinner. Our dining rooms are open during lunch and dinner. And you can manage what you're ordering at lunch and at dinner and end up with 2 meals a day. Some people are continuing just to do the 1 meal a day and spending around 19 points, but there's more flexibility than there used to be, and people are very happy with that.
Yeah. Now, as far as living there, do the units some have small little kitchens?
Yeah, every unit is equipped with a kitchenette. So you've got a little 2-burner stove and a sink. Some people will come in and remodel and add a little bit more to their kitchen, but for the most part, you're just going to enjoy a little bit of a kitchenette, do some light cooking, and then enjoy most of your main meals in our big kitchen that serves everybody.
All right. Now, again, on Sunday at 1:30 is the reception. How many units do you have open right now?
I think we're showing 9 this coming weekend, and those again are shown by the realtors. And we've got some that are available for purchase, and then if people are looking to rent, we also have that option as well. We call it kind of try before you buy, and a lot of people are interested in doing that, so they can not only come and experience the unit, but also, am I a fit with this community? Do I enjoy the food? Are the activities, do I find the activities as an enhancement to what they offer here? And most people try it, fall in love with it, and become part of the community. And so we encourage either of those options.
So the rental part, who's renting them? The owners or you folks?
It's a combination. So the mutual does own units. Right now we don't have any available for lease. They're all leased. And I believe there are a few private owners that do have their units up for lease currently. So it's a combination of both, depending on what's available.
All right, very good. So if you want to go to the Sunday brunch, make sure you call them at 597-4278, and that is starts at 11:30 to 1:30. And then if you'd like to go to the buyer reception, you can do that. That one you don't necessarily need a reservation for, but that's going to start at 1:30, and there's usually some light refreshments being served for that.
Come hungry to that. If you haven't gone to the brunch, you can almost count on getting a lunch out of the reception.
All right, there you go. Kristen, thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you too.
We'll be right back. Very good.